नमस्कार दोस्तों. So today I am going to teach you subject verb agreement for class 8 and its worksheet 5. Let us read the following examples. Physics is considered to be a tough subject. Billiards is fast becoming popular amongst youngsters. The people of the locality are protesting against frequent power cuts. The cattle were driven to the farm. Now you see that some nouns are plural in form but singular in meaning. We use singular verbs with such nouns like mathematics, statistics, measles, physics, billiards, etc. Some nouns are singular in form but plural in meaning. See sentence C. The people of the locality are. The people it seems to be singular but it is plural, so plural verb has been used. And D also, cattle is also looking like singular but it's plural. We use plural verbs with such nouns. A few nouns that take a singular verb are explained below. Nouns that generally take a singular verb. First, class nouns. Class nouns like cutlery, stationery, food, furniture. Now a pair of socks, a pair of jeans, a pair of scissors. Now weight, measures, amount, time, distance, or collective nouns. School of fish, swarm of bees, bunch of keys, crowd. They take singular verb. Like for example, the stationery was available at a cheap price at the store. The new furniture is pretty expensive. My new pair of socks is very tight. Be careful, this pair of scissors is very sharp. 5 years is a pretty long time. 10 kilos of milk was consumed in just one day. 100 rupees is not a big amount for him. Only 1/4 of the total police force was deployed in the area. The crowd looks quite pleased with the magician's performance. So here you see that singular verb has been used in all the sentences. However, read the following sentences. My new pair of socks is very tight. My new pair यानी इससे एक पेयर ऑफ सॉक्स का बोध होता है. My socks are very tight यानी कि जितने भी सॉक्स मेरे पास हैं वो टाइट हैं होते हैं. तो यहाँ you will use are. If we delete a pair of, the word socks is seen as a simple plural and thus it takes a plural verb. यहाँ देख सकते हैं. Now read the following examples. The team has chalked out a strategy to defeat the opponent. The team, एक टीम का यहाँ पे बोध हो रहा है. The team has chalked out a strategy to defeat the opponent. Now, but here the team were divided on the playing strategy. टीम को डिवाइड यानी कई टीम को डिवाइड किया. The team were divided on the playing strategy. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे word यूज किया गया. Remember, we use a singular verb when we think of the collective noun as a whole. जब collective noun as a whole होता है तो singular verb लगता है. But when we think about the members of the collective noun, लेकिन जब members की बात आती है collective noun individually, we use a plural verb. तो यहाँ जो है कई टीम की बात हो सकती है और टीम में जो कई मेंबर्स हैं उसकी भी बात हो सकती है. अगर वैसी परिस्थिति में वर्ब का यूज़ करते हैं. Now let us do worksheet 6. Now people in the carnival were. ये देखिए people लग तो रहा है singular but it's plural. Plural people in the carnival were wearing all kinds of fancy dresses. Statistics ये subject है. Statistics is Mohit's favorite subject. Singular है. The cutlery set. This cutlery set यहाँ एक का बोध हो रहा है. This cutlery set gives a unique, a very antique look. Her furniture shows her elegant taste. This pair of trousers does not fit me anymore. एक ही ट्राउज़र की बात है. This pair of trousers does not fit me anymore. These trousers are old now. अब यहाँ कई trousers की बात है. These trousers are old now. 250 gram of flour. 250 gram of flour is needed for this recipe. Okay. Now the jury dash divided in their verdict. The jury were divided in their verdict. यहाँ कई जूरी की बात हो रही है, कई जज की बात हो रही है, इसलिए वर का इस्तेमाल करेंगे. लेकिन यहाँ the jury was prompt in acquitting the innocent person. innocent person को छोड़ने में वो जूरी बहुत ही जल्दी करता था. तो एक जूरी की बात है, सो वॉज लगाएंगे. 200 kilometers is a long distance to drive at a stretch. Fried food is harmful for health. Fried food is harmful for health. Statistics are always important for a player, because here hint is given. Here the word statistics has been used to suggest the idea of figures. So statistics are always important for a player. Now this crockery is very delicate. This crockery is very delicate. Hold it carefully. The police dash scattered in the whole city for the security. The police were scattered in the whole city for security. तो कई पुलिस की बात, इसलिए वर्ड लगाया गया. ठीक है. सो आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू.